Clearwater, Florida, is known for its beautiful beaches, vibrant neighborhoods, and year-round sunshine. However, the hot, humid climate can also present challenges for homeowners when it comes to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. One of the most effective ways to manage energy consumption and enhance comfort in your home is through energy-efficient window installation. Here's why upgrading to energy-efficient windows is essential for Clearwater homes, and how it can benefit you both in the short and long term. Lower energy bills. One of the primary reasons to install energy-efficient windows in Clearwater is the potential for significant savings on your energy bills. With Clearwater's warm climate, air conditioning is a necessity for most homes, especially during the long summer months. However, older or inefficient windows can allow cool air to escape and warm air to enter, causing your air conditioning system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced features like double or triple glazing, low emissivity coatings, and gas-filled spaces between panes. These features help reduce the transfer of heat, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By minimizing heat gain from the outside, energy-efficient windows can help reduce the strain on your HVAC system, leading to lower energy consumption and, ultimately, lower utility bills. Enhanced comfort in your home. The Florida heat and humidity can make it uncomfortable to spend time indoors without the constant hum of an air conditioner. However, inefficient windows can contribute to uneven temperatures throughout your home. You might find that certain rooms feel warmer than others, or that your home is harder to keep consistently cool. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to offer better insulation and temperature control. By reducing heat transfer, they help maintain a more stable indoor environment. Whether it's the intense summer sun or the cooler winter air, energy-efficient windows will keep your home comfortable throughout the year. This means fewer hot spots, less reliance on air conditioning, and a more pleasant living space overall. Protection from UV rays and fading. In Clearwater, where the sun shines nearly every day, UV rays can have a significant impact on your home. Over time, exposure to sunlight can fade furniture, flooring, fabrics, and artwork. This not only affects the aesthetic appeal of your home but can also lead to the need for costly replacements of curtains, upholstery, and other furnishings. Energy-efficient windows often come with low-E coatings that block harmful UV rays, preventing them from entering your home. While these windows still allow plenty of natural light to filter in, they help protect your interior from sun damage. By reducing UV exposure, your furnishings will stay vibrant and well-maintained for much longer, saving you money on replacements and keeping your home looking fresh and beautiful. Increased home value. Installing energy-efficient windows is a smart investment that can increase the value of your home. Today's homebuyers are more environmentally conscious and financially savvy, often looking for properties that are energy efficient and offer long-term savings. By replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient models, you can improve your home's appeal and make it more attractive to potential buyers. In addition to increased resale value, Energy-efficient windows also enhance your home's curb appeal. Modern windows come in a variety of styles and finishes that can complement your home's exterior design, giving it a fresh, updated look. Whether you're planning to sell soon or just want to increase your property's value for the future, energy-efficient window installation is a wise choice. Reduced environmental impact. As homeowners become more conscious of their environmental footprint, energy-efficient windows offer a way to reduce your home's carbon impact. By improving insulation and reducing energy consumption, energy-efficient windows help lower greenhouse gas emissions. The less energy you use, the fewer resources are needed to power your home, which contributes to a healthier planet. In Clearwater, where high temperatures and humidity levels often lead to higher energy demand, energy-efficient windows can play a crucial role in reducing your home's environmental footprint. Installing these windows is a simple and effective way to support sustainability while benefiting from lower utility costs. Better noise control. Another benefit of energy-efficient windows, especially in a bustling area like Clearwater, is improved noise reduction. Whether you live near a busy road, a waterfront area, or simply want to escape the sounds of daily life, energy-efficient windows can help reduce the amount of external noise that enters your home. These windows are designed with multiple layers of glass and insulated frames, which act as barriers to sound. The result is a quieter, more peaceful home environment, whether you're trying to rest during the day or simply enjoy some peace and quiet in the evening. Durability and low maintenance. Energy-efficient windows are built to last. Many of the materials used in these windows, such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames, are highly durable and resistant to the elements. This is especially important in Clearwater's humid climate, where traditional wood frames can warp, rot, or require constant maintenance. Unlike older windows, which may need regular painting, resealing, or repairs, energy-efficient windows require minimal upkeep. Their advanced coatings and materials resist moisture, dirt, and wear, making them more durable and easier to maintain over time. This means fewer repairs and a longer lifespan for your windows, providing long-term value for your investment. Tax incentives and rebates. To encourage homeowners to upgrade to energy-efficient solutions, there are often tax credits, rebates, and incentives available at both the federal and local levels. For example, the U.S. government and some utility companies offer tax incentives for installing energy-efficient windows that meet specific performance standards. In Clearwater, it's worth checking with local energy providers or the IRS to see if any rebates or incentives are available for window upgrades. Taking advantage of these programs can help offset the initial cost of installation, making energy-efficient window replacement even more affordable. Conclusion: a smart investment for your Clearwater home. Energy-efficient window installation is not just a luxury, it's an essential upgrade for Clearwater homeowners looking to improve comfort, reduce energy bills, protect their home from UV damage, and increase their home's value. With the benefits of better insulation, reduced environmental impact, and long-term savings, installing energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest investments you can make for your home. Whether you're interested in cutting costs, enhancing comfort, or making your home more eco-friendly, energy-efficient windows offer a wide range of benefits that will pay off for years to come.